Children don't make memories in front of a TV set. Children need to be unplugged and out in nature. Join the Wild Buck characters, Molly and Fern, as they embrace California living and the outdoors, exploring the beautiful Del Monte forest and having adventures. In this fabulous book, girls are empowered to be in nature, and youth is empowered to find wholesome products and cook with amazing recipes. Friendships and companionships are encouraged. Love and acceptance. Girls are encouraged to soar. You can make a difference. You can follow your dreams. Everyone counts. Molly and Fern together shine with you as we read good books and blaze our path into the future. Imagine, explore, find and embrace your inner beauty and the inner beauty of others as we empower youth on this amazing journey. I wrote these books as a way to give a voice to all and to look back on my wonderful childhood as I made friends, as I made connections, and we were unplugged, enjoying the time of our life out in the Del Monte forest. I want our youth and my daughter and her friends to enjoy life together. It's an inclusive book for all ages, The Wild Buck. 4 recipes developed by my grandmother are included in Book 1 of the Huckleberry Hill Adventure series. Join our lifestyle at huckleberryhilladventure.com. Subscribe for free. Purchase these books. Laugh with us together. And I'll tell you what, we're going to help others in need too. We also would love to help the American Red Cross and support children in need by sending books for those that have lost everything. So dive in, order a book for yourself, order a book for a gift, and help us as we move forward on this amazing adventure. Unplug, have fun,
Sunday
follow
in
your
Big
dreams
Sur.
from the Pacific coast of California.